breaking news this afternoon. The former NRL star Jarryd Hayne has been found guilty of raping a woman in Newcastle in 2018. Kenny Heatley was in the courtroom as the verdict was handed down. Kenny, describe how this was received.
Kieran, this happened just about 20 minutes or so ago. The former Parramatta Eels winger stood up as the jury entered the courtroom and read out their verdict. It took the jury more than a week to deliberate on this. They couldn't reach a unanimous decision, and this morning they sent yesterday they sent a note to the judge saying that we can't reach a unanimous verdict, we need direction as to how we are going to proceed. Well, the judge urged the jury to keep deliberating in the hope that they would eventually reach a unanimous verdict. Now, this morning, the jury entered the court and the judge said you should just consider the evidence that has been presented within these four walls, and you should not consider any stereotypes or anything of that nature. The jury then went away but failed to reach a unanimous verdict once again, then came back to the courtroom with a note for the judge asking whether ignorance of the law could be a defence. Well, after the judge deliberated with the bench to reach an answer that they eventually gave to the jury, it took 45 minutes for the jury to then come back to the court and deliver a guilty verdict of 2 counts of sexual assault without consent. This is around an incident which happened in Newcastle on the night of the NRL Grand Final, September 30, 2018. It's the third time that Jarryd Hayne has defended this in a trial, and it has, in breaking news today, come back as a guilty verdict, and sentencing will be delivered at a later date. Kieran.
Kenny Heatley there live from the court in Sydney. Thanks.